Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Golden Honey, and today I'm going to show you how to fulfill an order off of Shopify. So if you're new to my channel, I'm so glad to have you here. Go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button and let's get started. So this is a peacock dress that a customer ordered from my online store. So we're going to go ahead and head up to this page here. It has all the features to help you manage your business. Go ahead and click on the order button, and then you're going to click on the order that you want to fulfill. It'll take you to a page here, the unfulfilled page. You're going to want to go ahead and check what you need to fulfill. Make sure you get those items out, and you're going to go ahead and click on the create shipping label. It's going to take you to the create shipping label. Go ahead and slide down to the package and weight section. Make sure you choose the box or package that you're going to use to ship your product in. They do have a variety of things that are already on the site already, but I also just went ahead and made my own shipping container that I'm going to use, and there's your summary of what you're going to pay. So you're going to go down and also select the shipping service. They have USPS and UPS, and sometimes they do have other services available. It depends on what area you're shipping to. So I'm going to go ahead and select the USPS, the one with tracking, which you see above. You can add signature, but I'm not going to do that. So go ahead and buy the shipping label. By the way, make sure you have all your packages pre-weighed before you actually buy your shipping label. So after you buy your label, go ahead and print out the shipping label. It's best if you're shipping your own packages, put them on adhesive paper, and it should look something like this. After that, you want to go ahead and print out your packing slip. The packing slip shows everything that will be in the package you're shipping out to your customer. So I'm going to show you step by step how I fulfill my orders and what I use. So if you like this video so far, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, and let's continue. So this is the package I use here. It is pretty lightweight, and you're also going to need the item that you're going to ship off. This is the peacock dress I have on hand. It's a medium size. Make sure you always examine your clothes before you ship it off. So after that, you're going to get your packing slip, your card, and your thank you note you're going to put inside the package. And make sure you have your shipping label already printed out on adhesive paper. So go ahead and take your package and your item that you're going to ship out and place it inside of the package you're going to use. Make sure you remove all the air from out of the package before you put it in, because remember, the weight of the package will change if there is a lot of air still inside the package. So make sure you try to get all the air out before you actually seal it off. So go ahead and put in your packing slip, your cards, your thank you notes, or anything you want to put in there that's extra. Just make sure this also is included with the weigh-in before you buy your shipping label. So I actually did weigh this beforehand, before I actually bought the label, so I actually knew exactly how much it's going to weigh. So when you go to the post office or wherever you're shipping it through, it won't be off on calculation. You won't have to owe more money. Like I said before, make sure you get as much air out as possible. Then remove the strip so the adhesive can stick to the other part of the package. There may be a little bit more air in there, but it's okay. It shouldn't make too big of a difference. So now we're going to go ahead and add on our shipping label. Make sure you put it on this side of the package that you closed off and not on the other side. I've heard a few stories that when you go to ship your package off, people like to open the packages just to see what's inside of it and if they want it. And if they don't want it, leave it like it is and the item to get destroyed. So it's best to put the shipping label on this side of the package where the seal is made from the beginning. So if you want to get an extra, you want to actually tape the sides here like I'm showing. So just in case if it rains or anything like that, you don't want water seeping into your package, especially like clothes like I have in here. So go ahead and put a little tape on there and seal it off and give you a little extra security for your package to reach the customer without any problems. Now after this, you are ready to ship off your package. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.